As you can see, it is an absolutely gorgeous day outside. It's Saturday morning. I've done a few chores already. The rest can wait until after I ride. Spring has sprung. I love it. I love watching the seasons change. So I'm not even sure if you can hear me, but I've stopped on the side of the road on the back roads around where I live. The sun is shining. There is not a cloud in the sky. Perfect riding weather. I've had what I begrudgingly call life admin. This is shit we all have to do. It gets in the way of the things we want to do, but it kind of keeps our lives ticking along. Got some big stuff coming up in my life. Huge, massive, important, big stuff. And with that, I'm gonna go get some mindfulness.